singing lesson blues and it don't go so well. I got the singing lesson blues, baby. Lord knows I got the singing lesson blues. So sit right back and I'll take you on a little cruise. My singing teacher lives up off of Burnett Road. When feeling like a prince and left feeling like a toad, I got the singing lesson blues, baby. Lord knows I got the singing lesson blues. Every time I see my teacher, she continues to deliver the bad news. She says like this: your posture sucks, your breathing sucks, you are singing from your throat, you tired little such and such. I got the singing lesson blues, baby. Lord knows I got the singing lesson blues. But if there's one thing I've learned, it's that you gotta pay them singing lesson dues. Yeah! I told her I ain't having no fun. She looked at me and said, this is work, I'm sorry, hon. I got the singing lesson blues, baby. Lord knows I got the singing lesson blues. But if there's one thing I've learned is you gotta pay your singing lesson dues.